Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use up my scrap pile. This is just some of it. I've got loads more sitting there that needs to be used up, but I thought I would use a small selection, see how much Christmas decorations we can make from this small pile, and just see what sort of profit margins is lying in this small selection of stuff. I'm not going to talk much through the video. There'll be music playing and the laser working, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll discuss what's left over from this scrap and what sort of profits we're looking at with the decorations that I have made. Hopefully you might find this helpful, and if you do, remember, like and subscribe. Really, it does help the channel. Anyway, let's get on it. I'll show you what files we've got on the computer, and then I'll start filming the laser cutting process. Hey folks, and we're over at my computer now, obviously, and this is just the selection that I'm going to be doing out of that scrap pile that we've got. So these dog paws and cat paws are going to be done out of the 6mm ply that I've got. These will be done out of 3mm. I'll probably do the 6mm for the back and then 3mm for the front on the no sell sign. These are all done out of 3mm, and so will this be. This is actually something I drew on the iPad in Adobe Fresco on the iPad. The reason I chose Adobe Fresco is because you've got vector brushes in there, which is absolutely fantastic. I also have Procreate, but that doesn't give you vector brushes. And for engraving, you want these nice sharp lines and being able to scale it to whatever size. So that's why I chose that program. So yeah, I'm going to blast over and film cutting all this out. Obviously, with it being used from scraps, it does take a little bit more time to set up and align your pieces and the cut things, but this is just to show that you can make money from those scraps instead of just wasting them and binning them. Hey folks, so I've laser cut them all out and you can see them here. I've done little gonks, and what I do is I mix the different colours up and I think it looks quite cool. These are always a good seller. Obviously wings for pets lost. And then just normal ones. These null ones are quite cool. Normally I'd some colour to them and then you'll easily sell them for a couple of quid each. Ivies, the holly, sorry, they're quite cheap. Easy to knock out though. The Santas and the snowman. If you can see the contrast on there. There we go. They'll sell quite well as well. These ones are probably one of my more popular ones. You sell them for a couple of quid, no problem. And then these are super fragile, but they sell quite well. Just a little dual layer. Now I've obviously still got to clean them all up and stuff, remove the smoke marks, and then, but you see them. They sell really well as well. So in total, for all the scrap, and now like you wouldn't just be running this for the sake of running it. You'd be running these if you had a downtime on the laser and you were doing stuff in the background. So you could keep an eye on the laser obviously, but for all this small selection, you're looking at minimum, and this is on the lowest end of sales, is 78 quid, and for stuff that you would normally just chuck in the bin, I think that's quite good. So yeah, try and be as creative as possible with your scraps rather than just getting rid of them. And as I say, I've still got loads of good stuff on these bits that I could have crammed more stuff in if I wanted to. But yeah, it was just an exercise, a demonstration of how you can basically use up some of the scraps and get some really nice products out of them. Hopefully this video's been helpful. If it has, drop me a like and a subscribe. It really does help the channel out.